If you're someone who loves a warm bowl of homemade soup, but dreads the time-consuming process of making it, this Philips Viva Collection SoupMaker, HR 220470, could be the game-changer you've been looking for. This innovative kitchen appliance is designed to simplify the soup-making process, allowing you to enjoy fresh, delicious soups in less than 18 minutes. But the Philips SoupMaker isn't just for soups. With 6 preset programs, it's a versatile tool that can also make smoothies, compotes, and even milk-based soups. In this detailed review, we'll explore what makes the Philips SoupMaker a must-have for any kitchen, focusing on its features, performance, and overall value. One of the standout features of the Philips Viva Collection SoupMaker is its ability to make fresh, homemade soup in under 18 minutes. Whether you're in the mood for a comforting bowl of tomato bisque or a hearty chicken noodle soup, the SoupMaker can handle it all with ease. The process is incredibly simple. Just add your ingredients, select your desired program, and let the SoupMaker do the rest. There's no need to stand over a hot stove, stir constantly, or monitor the cooking process. SoupMaker takes care of everything, freeing you up to focus on other tasks. The speed and convenience of the SoupMaker make it an ideal choice for busy individuals or families who want to enjoy healthy, homemade meals without the hassle. Perfect for those days when you're short on time, but still want to eat something nutritious and satisfying. While the Philips SoupMaker is primarily designed for making soup, it offers much more than that. With 6 preset programs, this appliance is a versatile addition to your kitchen that can handle a variety of tasks. 1. Pureed soup. Perfect for smooth, creamy soups like butternut squash or tomato bisque. 2. Chunky soup. Ideal for hearty soups with more texture, such as chicken noodle or minestrone. 3. Cold soup. Great for refreshing cold soups like gazpacho. 4. Compote. Easily make fruit compotes for desserts or breakfast toppings. 5. Smoothies. Blend up delicious smoothies with your favorite fruits and vegetables. 6. Milk-based soup. Thanks to the optimized heating profile, you can even make delicate milk-based soups like creamy potato leek or clam chowder. This versatility means that the Philips SoupMaker isn't just a seasonal appliance. It's something you can use year-round, whether you're making a cold summer soup, a warm winter stew, or a healthy breakfast smoothie. One of the biggest advantages of making your own soup at home is that you have complete control over the ingredient. Unlike canned soups, which can contain high levels of sodium, preservatives, and other additives, Philips SoupMaker allows you to create healthy, wholesome soups using fresh ingredients. You can choose the vegetables, proteins, and seasonings that go into your soup, ensuring that you're eating something nutritious and tailored to your tastes. For those following specific diets, such as low sodium, gluten-free, or vegetarian, the SoupMaker offers the flexibility to create meals that fit your dietary needs. It's also a fantastic tool for parents who want to make sure their children are eating healthy, home-cooked meals without any hidden ingredients. The result is a perfectly textured soup every time, whether you're making a velvety bisque or a hearty stew. The 1.2-liter capacity is ideal for making meals for 2 people or appetizers for 4, making it a great option for couples or small families. One of the most appealing aspects of the Philips SoupMaker is how easy it is to use. The interface is straightforward, with clearly labeled buttons for each of the 6 preset programs. Once you've selected your program, the SoupMaker automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature to ensure perfect results. There's no guesswork involved, just set it and forget it. When it comes to cleaning, the SoupMaker is just as user-friendly. The stainless steel design is not only sleek and modern, but also easy to wipe clean. The interior of the SoupMaker is non-stick, which means that any food residue can be easily rinsed away. Additionally, the SoupMaker's components are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you're new to making soup at home or just looking for some fresh ideas, the Philips SoupMaker comes with a recipe book that includes 38 different recipes. These recipes range from classic soups like potato and broccoli to more adventurous options like miso and chicken noodle. 13 of these recipes are marked with a special leaf icon, indicating that they can be used as part of a soup cleanse. The recipe book is a great resource for anyone looking to expand their culinary repertoire or try something new. It's also helpful for those who might not be familiar with the SoupMaker's capabilities and want to get the most out of their new appliance. In summary, the Philips Viva Collection SoupMaker HR220470 is a versatile, user-friendly kitchen appliance that makes it easy to enjoy fresh, homemade soups in less than 18 minutes. With 6 preset programs, you can create a wide variety of soups, smoothies, compotes, and more, all with the touch of a button. The SoupMaker's powerful blades ensure perfect texture every time, while its easy-to-clean design makes cleanup a breeze. For those who value healthy, homemade meals without the hassle, the Philips SoupMaker is an excellent investment. It's perfect for busy individuals, small families, or anyone who loves the idea of making their own soup at home, doesn't have the time or energy for traditional stovetop cooking. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.